everyone, Sanjay here from Counter Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 162. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about what is that one key that you really need for success. And let's get started. Never listen to any advice. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Alright, everyone knows that there is no shortcut for success and you have to put in the work, you have to do the hard way for it. But there are plenty of people who just assure you that there are tons of things you can try doing it, and within 30 days you'll just succeed, you'll become a millionaire, you'll become a billionaire. All that is fine. But I just wanted to tell you one particular thing. There is really one key for your success. There is one key that I have discovered. It has been discovered by Tony Robbins. Well, I was reading lots of books and I have met many persons and I have watched many motivational videos and I have done some videos. I have done some business. With my experience, I was just trying to evaluate things and I felt like I just read some books, and with many books, the only key to success, if you just have that one particular key, you might succeed. That is the one key that I was really seeking for, and I just read many books. The key to success is goal setting. That is what one book says, and I was like, okay, probably goal setting might be the only key to success, and that is how all these things have been created. I just set many goals, I have just motivate myself, and all that really happened some 1.5 to 2 years back. All that really happened, and I just set my goal, and I just set my financial goal, when that has to happen, how that has to happen, all that I have done that. And I was just reading the next book, and when I was just reading the next book, they just started bullshitting on the previous book. The goal setting is nothing. You just have to try to manage one particular thing, that is time management. If you just manage your time is the greatest asset, and I have said this, time is the greatest asset. We have to agree that Elon Musk has the same hours that we have, or Jeff Bezos has the same hours that we really have in one particular day. But is that really true? Time management. If you manage time, can you manage everything? If you just manage time, can you manage everything? I was just worrying about it, and I'm not really worrying. I was just trying to understand the things about that. But not even that. I just read the next book, and they just told me that it's Brian Tracy's book. I just forgot that, but the book name is No Excuse. That is the book name, and I was reading that particular book. He just said there are 100 keys for success, but the only key that you need for the best, the first key that you need for success is discipline, self-discipline. I just tried to discipline my entire life. I just disciplined my entire routine, and I felt like, okay, self-discipline is the only key. This is the right one, and this guy might be the right person who just discovered the right key to success, and I just felt like, okay, fine, self-discipline. But the next thing, I just started some books which has lots of positive thinking. The Secret, or The Power of Subconscious Mind, all those books, I started reading that, and they just told me that positive thinking or believing in yourself is the only key to success. You got to believe in yourself. That is how you get success. If you don't believe in yourself, you don't really get succeed. I felt like, man, this is completely horrible. Everybody says different things about success, and I was thinking a lot, and I just saw many YouTube channels, many podcasts, all that. Then I saw this Tony Robbins, video, and he just told me that knowledge, the complete answer that has been discovered by Tony Robbins, and he just told me that knowledge is the only key to success. If you have tons of knowledge, that is the key to success. I just look back, I just fast forward, rewind my entire life. Probably. I didn't have enough knowledge, that is why I failed. I didn't have enough knowledge, that is why I didn't succeed on that particular business. Now I had enough knowledge, that is why I bet my competitors and I crushed them and I won in that particular business. All that really happened, why is because I had enough knowledge. But at the same time I just felt like, but knowledge is freely available, why don't people use that to become succeed? I mean, knowledge is freely available. You might have seen many people, he knows what is the thing that they need to work on to become successful. He knows what is the thing that they are really worst about. And knowing everything about you is a great knowledge. When you can change yourself, when you know how to change yourself, when you have that knowledge, why don't you really succeed in your life? I felt so. And even Tony Robbins said so. But the only key for success is, this is the answer that you were waiting for 6 minutes in this entire video. The only key for success is called as self-power. Self-power, what does that really mean in the sense? Self-power is nothing but the self-awareness or the self-power that you have to think about an idea and work on that. To take action is called as self-power. When to do what to do at one particular thing, what to do in the right time. You can just program anything in your entire life. You can just program everything. You can create a robot and make yourself a presentation just to deliver in a right time. You can just say a person, you can just say a robot to talk a positive talk in a positive way and prove that positive thinking is the key for success. Or you can just have Google for your enough knowledge. Google have tons of knowledge, but if you just give Google to one person, will that person be succeeding? No, not really. That is the reason self-power is the only key to success that you really need. How do you understand this particular word, and how do you take action for that particular situation? That is the power that you need. Once you acquire enough self-power, I know there are plenty of people who have self-power in their entire life. Everyone has their own self-power. But how do you really use that? How do you really take action in your life? That is the only key to success. So start taking action instead of just worrying about your entire life. So if you just start taking action, I think that is the greatest way to succeed in your life. And that is what Tony Robbins said too. And I was so happy that I discovered my key to success. And if you are watching this video until this end, you have discovered too. And the shout out in this particular episode is for Rajendra Kumar. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. So his links will be over here. Thanks a ton for dropping a text, dropping a comment in my particular episode, and I highly appreciate you guys who dropped the text. You guys mean a world to me. Why? Is because in your busy life you could just go watch for some cat videos out there, but in your busy life you just took some 10 seconds, 15 seconds extra time to comment on my particular episode. You guys mean a world to me, and that is the reason when you just share your knowledge to me, I get more empowered. I mean, my self-power just get increased, and I feel really happy. I do this video just for you guys, and if you guys are evolving, that really means that you guys are around me. People tell me that online is completely out of reality. It's an escape from real world. No, it's not really that. If you are just watching me from somewhere around the world, I mean, there are people who just watch my videos from US, Nigeria, Australia, everyone. But how do you really know me? In the sense, it's because of this particular screen, it's because of the internet. That really means that you are trying to live with me and be with me. That is, in the sense, internet is a real thing. So you guys are really amazing, and you guys just improve my knowledge too. And yeah, it's been a long video. Thanks a ton for watching. Bye bye guys, see you guys at the top. Meet you guys in my next podcast. Bye bye.